This is just a little thing I wanted to try for a while. I would try a CD, but that could be pretty deadly. Or not necessarily deadly. More of dangerous. Okay, here we go. Put it in there for 30 seconds and they're getting bigger. I might have to put it in for like another 30 seconds or so. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's not big enough. Another 30 seconds. Go! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop making noises, Jacob. My brother is making fart noises. And another 30 seconds. Look how big it is. I've been showing you. Oh, I think they. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. They like instantly got bigger. Right there. That. Right there. Okay. Ow! Look at it. Freaking smoke. Here. God, my mom is. Whatever you call this. This is going to suck. Looks like it. Look at. There's like no more width to it. It's like all flat and burnt and nasty. Oh. Oh, okay. Look at that nastiness. Oh my gosh. Oh my nastiness. Oh, look at that blackness. Ew. Well, I microwaved it for like a minute and a half. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, that's like rock hard. That could be used to beat somebody to death. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up later. That was an idiotic decision.